What does salt and slug mean in it? Salt. For web developers, exposing your .git folder to the world is a novice mistake. It allows anyone to download your entire source code repository, which often includes database passwords, salts, hashes, and third-party API keys or usernames and passwords. Slug. Is there any REST API for retrieving all the published posts from a specific category by category slug or category ID?
Slug means a URL fragment. It is a term we only use where the fragment is human-readable text, such as the word shoes in this URL, http://onlineshop.com shoes 123. In this example, the category likely has an ID number as well as a slug, but the slug is used in the URL for the purpose of the search engine optimization of the page. Salt is some random text concatenated onto the end of a password before using hashing, one-way encryption, as a security measure.
In cryptography, salt is additional information used to encrypt things like passwords. One technique of managing password information is to encrypt the password selected by users and store the encrypted version. If the encryption method is strong enough, it is difficult to work backwards and decrypt the stored value. Unfortunately, users tend to pick simple passwords, like proper names or familiar nouns, and hackers can simply run through a dictionary, encrypting words until they find a match. To defeat this, a salt is added to the user-supplied password. Of course, it's critical to keep the salt from the hackers. The term may come from the act of adding salt to food, i.e., sprinkling an outside substance, or from the mining term to add valuable ore to a mine to deceive others into thinking the mine will be productive. In this case, the salter is trying to deceive the hacker. For your example, the typesetting term slug is relevant. It means a heading.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.